Hello, I'm Stuti Shukla. You are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with latest updates. Agricultural and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority (APIDA) has suspended the accreditation of an organic certifying agency for a year, while barring 4 other agencies from registering any new processor or exporter for organic product certification. The authority was also imposed fines on the 5 firms. Follows development in the European Union, whereas the European Commission issued a draft notification to blacklist 5 certifying agencies from certifying organic product export from India, as some shipments cleared by them failed to meet the norms to presence of ethylene oxide. ACE bagged award for the best launch of its Ultra and Ultra Plus harvester at 3rd Apollo Farm Award 2021. The award was received by Ashok Anantraman, CEO of Agri Equipment Division. ACE launches Ultra and Ultra Plus are lightweight harvester for the farmers of East, Central and South India. These machines are lightweight and have high HP. Their coverage plus fuel efficiency is best in class with minimum grain loss. Farmers worldwide are facing the challenge of feeding a growing population while reducing the impact of agriculture on the environment. BASF partners with Vivergen, a global leader in research services, to apply their technology to discover new active ingredients for sustainable crop protection products more efficiently and quickly. Nils Hansen, Chief Executive Officer at Vivergen, said, "We are excited to partner with BASF to drive innovation for sustainable agriculture." Agriculture Minister of Maharashtra Dadaji Jagadu se inaugurate the Krishi Tantra Krishi Rasta device at Mahali Agro Service, Nashik, with an objective to make soil health management solution affordable and easily accessible to farmers. ICAR, Central Research Institute for Jute and Allied Fibers, Paraipur, has bagged the prestigious National Societal Innovation Award 2020, founded by National Research Development Corporation under the Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, New Delhi, for its contribution in the development of innovation in jute threading technology through microbial consortiums. Crizap Sona for high-quality fiber. Crizap Sona technology has been commercialized and adopted by 5.5 lakh farmers in the past 6 years. Sumitomo Capital Corporation Limited has decided to switch all of its electricity purchase for its Oita works to renewable electricity starting November 2021 as part of its efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The switch will reduce CO2 emission from the plant approximately 20% compared to FY 2030. BioAgri Input Producer Association, which represents is a small but growing number of small and medium companies that is surrounding the bursting organic farming, felt that the country needs to allow combination biopesticide to promote residue-free agri-produce. The combination biopesticide are considered safe to be consumer and the environment as compared to the conventional pesticide it contains. For more such updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.